US President Donald Trump and Russia's President Vladimir Putin met for 2.5 hours on Friday at a summit in Alaska that started with a handshake, a smile and a ride in the presidential limousine, and unusually a warm reception for US adversary, responsible for launching the largest land war in Europe since 1945. They later addressed a joint conference after talking with top advisors behind closed doors on efforts to end Russia's war in Ukraine. Putin and Trump end the joint conference without taking questions or sharing the details of talks on Ukraine's future. President Donald Trump said he and Vladimir Putin did not reach a deal to end Russia's war in Ukraine after meeting on Friday, despite Putin saying they had come to an understanding, as both leaders offered scale detail on what was discussed while heaping praise on each other. Mr. Putin said he and Trump had reached an understanding on Ukraine and warned Europe not to torpedo the nascent progress, but Trump then said there is no deal until there is a deal, and said he planned to speak with the Ukrainian President Zelensky and European leaders soon to brief them on the discussions. Putin invited Donald Trump for next time in Moscow after Alaska summit. Mr. Putin had concluded his joint press conference with Donald Trump by inviting him to Moscow for further talks. Mr. Donald Trump accepted the suggestion, saying, "That's an interesting one." Donald Trump said, "The onus now was on Ukraine President Zelensky to build on the Alaska summit and secure a deal to end Russia's 3-year invasion." Donald Trump said he and Vladimir Putin spoke very sincerely in private after post-meeting speeches. The conversation was indeed very positive, and two presidents spoke about this. This is the very conversation that allows us to confidently move forward together along the path of searching for settlement options, Kremlin spokesman Dmitry Peskov said. Russian President Vladimir Putin laid flowers at the graves of Soviet pilots who died in Alaska during World War II after concluding a summit with US President Donald Trump. Russian President Vladimir Putin said Ukraine and its European allies should not create obstacles to peace, as he spoke alongside US counterpart Donald Trump after their Friday summit focused on Russia's invasion of Ukraine. Putin said Moscow expected that Kyiv and the European capitals will perceive all this in a constructive manner and will not create any obstacle, will not make attempt to disrupt the emerging progress through provocation. Thank you.